Hi, this is Kit Welchlin and welcome to Welchlin.com. Today's video blog is on managerial communication. The question is, who should give the performance appraisal? I sure prefer getting performance appraisals because I'm really good at what I do rather than giving them. However, I don't enjoy preparing and giving performance appraisals at all. Can I get out of that? Could someone else do it? Who should give the performance appraisal anyway? That's a good question. Who should give the performance appraisal? I believe the employee's immediate supervisor or immediate manager. Other options include a boss that is 1 or 2 levels up, the employee's immediate subordinates, the employee's peers, or even a self-evaluation. Consider the willingness of both parties, whether you like one another or not, or would you prefer someone else to do it? Sometimes it's best, no matter who makes the performance appraisal, to have human resources participate. The decision on who does the performance appraisal should focus on ensuring the appraiser has adequate knowledge of the employee's job and has frequently observed firsthand the employee performing the main facets of the job. When it comes to appraising performance, this is an activity that should be going on continually. If you are choosing someone else to do the performance appraisal, you can still play a critical role. You should keep an ongoing diary for each of your employees in which you record actual incidents, behaviors, or outcomes that affect job success or failure. The frequency of observation improves the quality of the data you gather. Accuracy and consistency increase when you focus on only job-related behaviors. Consider each aspect of an employee's performance independently and support your ratings with documented evidence. Hey, I kind of like it. If I'm not the person giving the performance appraisal, I can instead be an investigative reporter and be the recorder of the department's performers and do that with complete confidence. Thank you for watching this video blog on managerial communication. So the question was, who should give the performance appraisal? The person who has had frequent opportunity to observe the employee in action. Consider willingness, affinity, and access. Then accurately assess performance. Check back to Welchlin.com every Monday for a new video blog.